all, this is how we jive from mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another review, a new product. This time I have here Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus for you guys, 11-inch tab. Look at the box, how beautiful it is. Only few information written. Slim with code and all other things, nothing fancy. Samsung, although it's not coming more with charger, so the pack is more slim. Without any further ado, let me unpack this tab here. Let's go. Wow, beautiful packaging of Samsung. Lovely soft cotton here. Right, and Samsung put here. Let's take off the tablet from the middle. Beautiful, lovely packaging. We'll go more things we have inside, so let me show you. Here we go. We have here a data cable, a charging cable, a C cable, serve all the purpose. We have some manual to warranty other information, few paperwork, and we have a pin in case you want to add some extra memories. Here you have memory slot, you can add up to 1 terabyte or 2 terabyte of SD card, if I'm not wrong. So I put all the things one side. We'll go to the tablet here, guys. Look at this, how beautiful this one, this packaging. Wow. So here it says stitches as glue. We'll take this off carefully. Okay, so let's take out this tablet. This is front page, I think. Wow, look at this, guys. It's quite big, the tablet. Taking out, it has a beautiful 11-inch display with full HD, that is 16:10 ratio, 206 pixel density. Lovely. Let's see the body here. Here at the bottom you have 2 holes to hold that if you want a keyboard, and you can connect with the keyboard directly. This side of the tablet, if you want, add a memory card. If I put here, let's see. Here we go. It's quite deeper, this memory tray. Take this off. Quite longer, deeper. Lovely to have this one. I put back at its place. If you want to add a memory card here. At the top you can see we have 2 speakers here. At the bottom also you have 2 speakers, so you have 4 way of speaker. Sound quality must be excellent. Here you have C port and a hole for microphone. At the corner 3.5mm jack hole is hidden almost. Beautiful build up quality. We go to the back. Wow. Here at the bottom right and serial number, but look at the build quality, guys. The aluminum with the plastic, beautiful. Look at the book, as the catalog. Here we have one camera. This is 8 megapixel camera, nothing special, is fine for this price range. Wow, beautiful body, midnight color or black, you can say. Lovely. At the front you have 5 megapixel camera. That is good if you want to video chat or other things with your friends or family. So lovely thinking on that. Beautiful tablet. This side we have power button, then volume rocker key up and down. You have one hole for mic, so you may have double mic. Look at this, very slim though. 6.9mm thin, this one. Very slim, and weight 480 grams. Almost half kilo, but is a big tablet. Is as you are carrying MacBook Air 13-inch with you. So 11-inch tablet is quite big, the size. Beautiful build quality. I like this one. So we're gonna hit the power button here. Wow, beautiful. See, Samsung Galaxy is secured by Knox. Wow, lovely. Wow, beautiful color. So let's go to the setup without any further ado. Or you can do setup as this in vertical and horizontal, both way. So we are doing in horizontal way setup here. I hit start. first you have to decide your language. So decide the language where you are. I put here English, United Kingdom. Fine, then I have to hit next button here. Then select the country where you are. I'm at the moment traveling to Latin America. I'm here in Argentina. I click this one. I hit restart. So it will restart everything according to your place. Okay. Now we have to hit agree all the policy, agree to all. Hit agree here at the corner. You can set up from Galaxy or Android device. You can set up with iPhone and you can set up with iPad as well. Or you can set up as a manual. Here I have iPhone 16 Pro Max. I can do with that, and I have previous Samsung Galaxy Tab or iPad as well. But I want to do manually, so you learn how to do manually. I click here. You have to add your Wi-Fi in this case. Put the password of your Wi-Fi. After that, hit connect button. Then after connected to Wi-Fi, here it will continue by itself getting your tablet ready. It may take few minutes, so we have to wait till the process is done. You say don't copy apps and data. If you have previous phone, you can copy with apps and data from the tablet or from other phone. I don't want to copy anything. If you want to copy, it will be easy, so you don't need to install any new app. But I want to install as a new. I hit next button. Then you see use another device, iPhone, iPad, the same information again. Transfer data from other device. I don't want to transfer anything. You have to agree or skip. This one, checking information. Let's see, checking information one more time. You have to put your Google account in this case. So if you don't have Google account, create one account. If you already have Google account, put that. And if you want to skip without connecting any account, you can do that. In this case, I'm going to show you make a new Google account and set up this one at the same time. So I hit here, create an account. Which type of the purpose? For my personal use, for my child, for my work or business. So in this case, for my personal use, I click this one. To put my name here, I put my first name, Harry, surname, Jeffrey. Hit next button. Put your date of birth. Everything is fine. Hit next button. harryjeffrey47 gmail.com. So I choose this one. They will give you different option. Hit next button. After that, put a password as you decide. So email is already review your account information. Everything looks good. I hit next button. I hit agree. Now protect your tablet for thief or robbery. You have 4-way, in this case face recognition, pattern, pin and password. Whatever the option you like, decide that one. I'm not gonna put anyone now. Decide as you like. I hit the skip button. Skip anyway. Here Google service, you have to accept term and condition of all Google service. Getting your tablet ready, you have to accept all this, so they will update your tablet before you can start. I hit accept button. Checking information, go down here, hit agree. Email or phone number, sign in with Google. I think I hit here sign in with my new Google account. harryjeffrey47. This is all the information to your account. I hit continue. This is a Samsung account. So they will create a Samsung account also for you with your Google account. I select all here. I continue. Samsung account. I have read all and accept all the term and condition. Hit agree. You have to put a phone number for 2-way verification. If you want, do that. Account created and connected. I hit OK. So I've created Samsung account, also Google account for this tablet. I hit agree. Now choose your display mode. You have light mode or dark mode. I leave as a light mode. Please wait. You're all set. I hit home here. Wow, beautiful color of the tablet. Lovely. Already downloading some of the apps at the bottom, you can see, because there are many apps they need to download one by one slowly. You can use as a vertical as well. Okay, we can go to here, YouTube, to show you. Like to use vertical more, feel more comfortable. Allow notification of YouTube. Can put a 4K video here. If we click here any 4K video, let's see, HDR special, I make the screen bigger, increase the quality, advance. Look at this, guys, how clear the sharp the skin is. Put more closer, you can see every grain, every pieces. Is 4K is notable, the color quality, how beautiful. Wow. And it is 11-inch display, so everything is clear and crystal is zoom. You can see how beautiful, how sharp the image is. Wow. And it has 4 speakers, so the sound quality is magnificent. You feel some vibration at your hand even while you are using. So if I put some audio to check, if I open any song to show you guys, increase the volume. It has a magnificent sound, guys. I pause this one. 4-way speaker, you listen vibration at your hand and never listen any tablet or phone better sound than this one. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.